Usually, the presenters are not very happy if the audience is using the mobile phone, they are searching for something, they are clicking on links on their computers. But now I would like to encourage you to use your mobile phones, use your laptops, use your computers, and please go to competence.bme.hu. In this hyperlink, you can find the competence map of the Budapest University of Technology and Economics. There are different types of competence maps existing in different European universities and research institutions. The Budapest University of Technology and Economics competence map was launched in May 2022, and currently we have 152 research groups and more than 440 researcher profiles on this competence map. Why is this competence map unique? Why do we find it a platform that stands out of the crowd in our view? We have a high number of profiles available. We have a lot of research groups appearing on the competence map. We have a lot of researcher profiles. We have a great pool of potential collaborators for you to find on the platform. We do not only offer competence, we offer also value propositions. So we are not only showcasing what we do, but we would like you to know what we are offering, what we can bring into a consortium. We are supporting the Horizon Europe Partner Search through the competence map. I am going to show you which features are used for facilitating the partner search. We are also showcasing various dimensions of the competencies and the achievements of our researchers and research groups. And what is very important, this competence map is a platform we are constantly developing, we are constantly uploading new data, we are constantly adding new features in order to make this competence map a platform that is easy to use, that is enjoyable to use, and that is providing relevant information for our future partners. On the screen, you can see a research group profile page. Our intention is to provide our researchers a mini website where they can showcase their achievements, they can showcase their publications, their relevant projects, the patents they have. So all these activities that show their scientific excellence, but the researcher group profile offers more than that. We are showcasing also the partner search offers of our research groups. So when you go to one of the research group profile pages, you can find there the expertise offers that specific research group provided and prepared for a specific Horizon Europe call they would like to join they would like to find a consortium for. This is very important for us because, as I mentioned, the intention, the aim of the competence map is exactly to foster these types of collaborations, these types of cooperations. In the researcher profile page, as I mentioned, we have 443 researchers currently on the competence map. In the researcher profile page, we provide information about our researchers, a personal introduction, also the scientific publication, everything that the researcher finds important to show for an academic audience, for an industry partnership. So we offer them the possibility to introduce themselves from this perspective. It is very important to highlight that we are not only offering text, we are not only offering information in sections, in words, but also offering pictures, also offering 3-minute introductory videos of the research group. So we would like to provide this comprehensive portfolio of activities that show the researchers' excellence at the Budapest University of Technology and Economics. Very important new feature of the competence map is the laboratory infrastructure section. In this section, we are showing our potential partners, whether they are academic partners, whether they are industry partners, what laboratory competencies and facilities we have. And we are showing this competence in a way that it would be easy for our potential partners to see what we can offer, to see the potential application areas of that facility, and to see what equipment and what research area they are covering. As I mentioned, the ambition of the BME Competence Map is to facilitate the Horizon Europe partner search. In order to support this function of the competence map, we introduced a new section which is called the calls, and this section refers to all the Horizon Europe calls that our researchers would like to offer some kind of an expertise. So if you go to the competence map webpage and go to calls, you are going to see a list of the expertise offers of the research groups of the university who are interested in participating in that specific call. As a European research funding advisor, I know very well how important it is and how time-consuming it is to search for partners, to search for collaborators, and this way we are going to make it easier for you to find a relevant partner for your consortium. Regarding the consortium search, we are not only offering the information, the general information of the research group, but we are also offering an expertise offer, which is a tech flyer, basically. And that expertise offer you can see on the screen right now. That expertise offer shows the competence, what a specific research group can bring into a specific Horizon Europe call in a way that it is easy to understand, clear to see, and we would like to save time for the potential coordinators in order to, so that they could find the information they need in a focused format. We introduce user-friendly search options. We would like to engage our viewers. We would like to engage the visitors of the competence map in these partner search activities. So we are offering multiple options for partner search, and we are also offering some kind of a help, some kind of a personalized search option possibility in the competence map. We also introduced a new matchmaking options, which is unique in the competence map scene. And this also facilitates the contacting progress in the process of building a consortium or building a partnership. So if you find a research group that is interesting for you, if you find a competence that you would like to see in your consortium, then with basically one simple registration, you can contact directly that research group, or you can contact directly multiple research groups who are offering that specific expertise or who are presenting their competencies for that specific call. When we launched the competence map, one very important and interesting consequence of this competence map was that we started to see that the researchers within the university started to explore what other researchers in other faculties, in other departments are doing. Multidisciplinary teams started to formulate for a specific research area. Researchers who were conducting their scientific experimentations from different aspects on the same topic got together, and we, as the editors of the competence map, we facilitated this type of getting together. We already had 4 events focusing on a specific research domain. On the slide, you can see photos of the event that we organized around the batteries scheme. In that event, there were researchers from 5 faculties of the university, and very interesting research cooperations already started formulating. This is something we would like to encourage also with this event, with the competence fair. So in the specific sections, researchers from various faculties of the university are participating, and what is common in their research is that specific domain, is that specific area, but they are going to showcase different perspectives that in our hope will lead to very important interdisciplinary cooperations within the university as well. We are not only offering just competencies, but we are offering value propositions as well. So in this slide, you can see flyers. In those flyers, which are also uploaded on the competence map to the research group profile page, you can see the specific expertise of a research group on a specific domain. So the research groups identify what Horizon Europe keywords they find relevant for their research areas. And for those Horizon Europe keywords like health technologies, advanced materials, renewable energy, they are preparing flyers. And on those flyers, they are highlighting their specific achievements, their specific competencies regarding that Horizon Europe domain. So on the slide, you can see a research group competence flyer regarding health technology and a research group competence flyer regarding battery technology. Our aim is to put a story behind these achievements, to personalize who are dealing with this, who are doing this research, why are they doing that research, what is their motivation, what they find as their biggest achievement. So we would like to encourage the partnership building also with these competence flyers, and we would like to show the people, the researchers, the stories behind the research domains with these flyers that you can also find in the research group pages of the competence map. We are actively promoting the competence map. We are going to different events, national events, international events, where me and my colleagues are introducing the features of the competence map. Usually I can say that there is a great interest around this type of activity. And with this activity, we are highlighting, we are emphasizing our intention, our commitment to cooperate with external partners, and our commitment to facilitate this cooperation as much as we can with various platforms such as the competence map. And regarding the statistics, we are very happy that this competence map attracts users from all around the world. We have, if we see the average user number daily, we can say that we have like 40-50 users per day, which is 40-50 visitors per day from all around the world, which is very, very important for us. And we already have partnership requests coming in from the competence map. And this is something that we are really proud of, because this is why we are developing this platform. This is the possibility we would like to provide our researchers and provide our future collaborators. So as the last slide of the competence map, our takeaway message, what we would like you to remember of this platform, which is, of course, the domain, which is competence.bme.hu, and the uniqueness of this platform, the uniqueness of this competence map, which is not merely a database, but much more than that, shows stories, shows videos, shows pictures, and facilitates the partnership building with various tools and activities. We would like to provide you, as our potential partner, an informative, engaging, user-friendly platform where you can find relevant competencies for your consortium or for any type of future collaboration with the researchers of the Budapest University of Technology and Economics. Thank you very much for your attention. Please enjoy the event, and I will now give the floor to our first presenter in our first section. Thank you very much.